Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Kum kadak pan ay buram halo ka Trei stom jo ki Nongtrei katnat ka kwat ka kya ka jala Meghalaya. Kiba kanthop na do ki doktor, ki nurse bat ki wei katnat sipai lingsun Indian Air Force jong kari ha ka step jo kalai teruk bana jemang arcar arpho kalalek ban hap lek sentiu na ka helikopter ka wala sedang nado ka por pau jem step ado ka por hatwei jem step. La sakhiru bagni ka helikopter jong ki sipai lingsun kalaya tawer haswa pan hap ik sentiu ha civil hospital Shillong ha Bethany Hospital bat ha Negrims. Kat san minit shuaban wan hair kini helikopter u menteri rangba jong jela u konrad ki sangma dala dia ulalek pan ai Khublei kerpang bat ai men sim shushu ikinong Trei jok nat ka koi ka kya kibala Trei Khlem Shongthait bani khun thma persha ya ka jingpang coronavirus.
Really, I have no words to express the gratitude to all of you. These past few days, I know, has been very, very difficult for all of you. But still, you have not lost the faith and you continued with a complete dedication. So once again, really, I think all of you deserve a big hand. So I would request all of us who are present out here, let's give a big hand to all our medical staff who have worked day and night in this time of crisis. Thank you so much.
Working very hard to ensure that the safety of all the citizens has been done. So that's much only I'd like to once again appreciate the hard work of all the health workers. Thank you.